I welcome you to this channel. On this channel, we talk about airdrop, crypto, and other legit platforms. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on that notification bell so you will get notified when we post our next video. And for sponsorship or advertisement, just contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. The link to my WhatsApp and Telegram are in the description below. I'm your host, Shina Oladele. Alright guys, let's dive into today's video. There has been some complaint about trust wallet from people on how their funds is being wiped out suddenly, and this actually happened when they just wake up and see that some tokens that they did not buy with their own money is just appearing on their trust wallet. For instance, let me show you some tokens in this place that I did not buy, but they just enter this trust wallet without my consent. So you can see this one here. You can see HAI. You can see GORK. I didn't buy all these tokens. You can see just two. So these are abnormal token in your trust wallet. And what we normally do is that we just click on it. We swipe it like this. You swipe it and you disable it. You click on disable here. You click on disable. I swipe this GORK also. I click on disable. I click on disable. But this method is not even effective enough because you might mistakenly interact with most of these abnormal coins and thereby all your funds will be wiped out instantly. But in this video, I want to show you how you can change your trust wallet settings that no token that you did not buy with your own money will find its way to your wallet again. So how do you do this permanently to avoid your fund from being suddenly wiped out without your consent? Just come to the settings here. You can see settings here. You click on the settings. I've clicked on the settings. Then you come down here. You see preference. I click on the preferences here. You click on it, then you come to the app browser. You click on the app browser. So you can see that this enable is on, and connect the app automatically also is on. So the first thing you have to do is that just come to clear browse cache here. I click on clear browser cache and I click on OK. I click on OK. Alright, so I go back to the app browser. Then I will now come here, connect the app automatically. I'm going to turn off these settings here. I will turn it off instantly. So let me click on it. I have turned it off. Then I also come to enable also. I will also turn it off as well. I will turn it off as well. So that's what you have to do to avoid all these unwanted coins to enter your trust wallet, because if they enter your trust wallet and you interact with them, that means you have given hackers permission to actually wipe out all your funds without your consent. So that's what I want to share to you in this short video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video to other people that may find it helpful so that they can also protect their accounts from hijackers. Alright guys, let us meet in my subsequent video.